Good evening. Once again, thank you for tuning in. And this is the second consecutive night I've come to this spot. Partly because last night when I got here, I was a little late and there was a lot more cloud cover and it was blocking the sun, so we didn't have a lot of opportunity between doing bits of video and taking photos to actually get good images, because a lot of what I was doing was kind of talking and I just missed the light, and as a result I didn't get the images I wanted. So I'm coming back. I should point out that this is what I thought when I was recording this video, because I hadn't actually edited the photos. I'd taken them off the camera but I'd not really looked at them. My assumption from the evening before was that the images weren't that good, but actually it was one of my most productive evenings that I'd had, and I really put this down to having a tripod and really taking some time. But anyway, back to this. Anything I say about yesterday is hogwash. And as a result, I didn't get the images I wanted, so I'm coming back and we've got a lot of side light. Let me flip you there. Now I don't know whether you can actually see that because we're kind of away from it, but the side light hidden that silver birch there is rather spectacular, and I don't think you can see it, but it's good. It's good. So I'm going to get a series of shots again with the setting sun striking the edges of these wonderful branches and trunks, and hopefully it's going to be better than last night's one, and I'll put something up for you now, and I hope you enjoy it. There's more of these trees around which I need to explore more, and I also need to take this ND filter off this lens. God, come here, because I know, it fights me to take this off. Yeah, hey, now you can see me. Hey? So there's more of them around. So there's some over here, which I don't know that you can. Yeah, probably see them there. So I'm going to head off and have a look at those. Those are a bit more on a dip, so they may have already lost the light, but I suppose we'll find out in a minute. Well, I don't know whether you can hear it. You probably can't because of the mic on me, but there's a. It's not microlight, it's a kind of paraglider. No, it's motorised parachute thing. Let's see if I can get you to see it up there. Yeah, I think I've got it in frame there. Quite a lot that kind of thing happens over these areas here. Fun thing to do, I'm sure, but I'll stick to drones for the time being. So those are over there in the dip, yeah, there's only really the tops of them that are catching, and I didn't think I could make anything of that, and I'm not sure I can make anything of this either. I like it as a view, yeah, just a path running on through, and the light still hitting these bushes. I'm not sure, I'm calling them silver birches. I might be entirely ignorant of what they are, but anyone knows, give us a shout in the comments. But again, is it a good shot? I don't know. Certainly the exposure is not great. There's not a lot of interest in the sky, but we're keeping the sky down. We've got these little clouds up there for a bit of detail breakup. Rather stupidly at the minute, I've stuck the horizon right in the centre of that, so I don't think I want to do that. I'm going to play with this composition a little bit and see whether I can come up with anything. I'm going to have to bracket this, I think, and in order to achieve that and get everything kind of in, zoom back a bit, I'm going to just come back, pull back a little on the tripod and get that level. Okay, so we're level on the viewfinder meter. This might be better than I think. I don't know. Got the path leading through it, bottom right through to almost top left actually. Yeah, it's not the greatest shot in the world, but yeah, hope you enjoy it. Here it comes. Now I look fuzzy. I don't know whether I am. Maybe a bit of condensation on screen. I don't know. Anyway, I've lost a lot of light now, and I'm going to head down towards the beach and see whether I can get any kind of longer exposures down there. And steady tripod. Hey, you can but try, can't you? Really losing light, as you can see. I haven't made it to the beach, but I have found this. The sky's looking nice, and getting the tripod in here. I really don't think you can even see it. I've had to come in quite high to get a low down view, so I obliterate as much of the sky of this shot as possible. Not because I don't particularly want the sky. It's that the sky just creates a little bit more difficulty in the shot, and I'm not sure it's that necessary, but the colour's very nice. So we've got some of it in there, and I've bracketed to pick up as much detail in everything, and I'll merge these in Aurora HDR, and we'll show you that picture just now, which I hope you like it. I always say that. Very few people turn around and say, yeah, that was a great shot. No, that was pants. Why the hell did you show us that? Why'd you shoot that? Let's have some comments. Because the subscriber count's going up, but the comment count it isn't. So let's... Come on, get those fingers moving. If I was to say something horribly controversial, I'm sure we'd get a few people moving. I don't know, what shall I say? Oh, no, I best not. Just write something down below. Thanks. That was going to be the last shot of this video, but upon walking back I spotted this lovely set of trees. Just the shape of them was very nice, and it was getting very dark, and I thought I'd try a feature of the camera I hadn't tried, which is the high-res shot. Now this does some sensor shifting and takes a number of exposures and then combines them in camera, and because it was dark we got long exposures, and we got this, which I think is rather nice, and the movement of the clouds is very nice, and wispy grasses too. Anyway, that's the last one this time. As ever, please click the like button, hit subscribe if you feel so inclined, and maybe consider buying me a coffee using the links below. Thanks a lot, see you soon.